here to tell you that it is good, that it